Hello students, welcome back. This is teacher Whitney and I will be teaching EVS for class 1. Students, I certainly know you must be enjoying this season.
Lush green plants, the trees, the beautiful flowers. We can feast our eyes on the beauty of the amazing nature all around us. From the tiny buttercup to the giant mango tree, plants come in all colors, shapes and sizes. Plants provide a place for animals to live. Plants produce the oxygen that is in the air we breathe, and so are essential to keeping us alive.
We see plants everywhere. We find them in a house, school, road, park and many other places. So why not learn more about these plants? So in our lesson for today, that is plants around us, we are going to learn more about these plants. And what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about the different parts of a plant. So let's get started.
In the heart of a sea, buried deep, so deep, a tiny plant lay fast asleep. Wakes at the sunshine and creep to the light. Wakes at the voice of the raindrops bright. The little plant heard and it rose to see what a wonderful outside world might be.
Our topic for today is plants around us. And we are going to learn about different parts of a plant. Now here I have put up a chart and you can see a plant. And on this plant I have marked different parts. For example, you can see the flower, the fruit, bud, stem, leaf and root. A plant is mainly divided into two different parts, or the two important parts, that is the shoot and the root. Now the part of the plant which is above the ground, and here you can see a line. You can consider this line as the ground. So the part of the plant which is above the ground is called as the shoot, and below the ground it is called as the root. Now what do we have in the shoot? We have the stem, we have the leaf, then we have the bud, the flowers and the fruits. So this part of the plant forms the shoot. So all these parts of the plant together can be called as the shoot. And the part of the plant below the ground is the root. Now students, there is some importance of these parts of the plants. Let's start from the roots. Roots are very important for a plant because it is the root that helps the plant to stay in the soil. It also helps the plant to take up all the nutrients, water and minerals from the ground to the different parts of the plant. The different parts of the plant are the stems, leaves, buds, flowers and the fruit. So the roots is very important of the plant so that it holds the plant deep into the soil and also carry the different nutrients, water to different parts of the plant. Also the stem, the leaves are very important to the plant because these parts of the plants help the plant to prepare their own food.
Students, here we can see a plant. And as I have shown you on the chart, the different parts of the plant, here as well on the plant you can see the different parts. Let us start from the root. Here as you can see is the root of the plant. And this root helps the plant to remain in the soil. Next we have this part is the stem. This part which you can see is the stem. These are the leaves. And this is the flower. So the part above the ground forms the shoot or is the shoot, and the part of the plant under the ground or below the ground is the root.
Students, let's take a better understanding of the different parts of a plant. As I have told you, a plant is made up of two main parts, that is the shoot and the root. Now the first part that we are going to take is the root. This is the root of a plant. This part of the plant is very important because it is the roots that help the plant to remain deep in the soil. It also takes up all the water, the minerals and the nutrients from the soil and passes it on to the different parts of the plant. And this part of the plant, that is the root, is under the ground or below the ground. The part above the ground is the shoot. The shoot has the stem. This is the stem. It has leaves. You can see these leaves. It also has the buds. These buds bloom into beautiful flowers. These are the flowers. And a plant also has fruits. A plant also bears tasty fruits. So this are the parts of a plant.
Students, let us revise whatever we have learned. Let us revise the different parts of a plant. Let's get started. Label the parts of a plant. Here I have a plant and I have marked this plant with different arrows and I have given numbers to each arrow. Here I have given you the names of the different parts of the plant. Now you have to name each part of the plant with the correct name or the correct part of the plant. Now let's name the first part, that is numbered as 1. So students, which part of the plant you think this is? Is it the leaf? Is it the fruit? Is it the stem? Is it the bud? Is it the flower? Or is it the root? What do you think, students? Do you think it's the root? Let's check. Oh no, it's not the root. Let us try again. It is the stem. Yes, it is the stem and it's the right answer. So this part of the plant is the stem. Now let's move on to the second part of the plant that I have marked as number 2. What do you think, students? Which part of the plant is this? Is it the leaf, fruit, the bud, the flower or the root? Which part is it? Let's check. Leaf. Let us check if it's the right answer. Oh yes, it is the right answer. It is the leaf. Let's move on to the third part of the plant. And what do you think it is? Is it the fruit? Is it the bud, the flower or the root? What do you think it is? Yes, let's check. Bud. Yes, you are right. It is the bud. This part of the plant is the bud. Now let's move on to the fourth part of the plant that I have marked. I have marked this part as number 4. What is it? Is it the leaf, the fruit, the stem? What is it? Okay, it is the flower. Let us check whether it's the right answer. Yes, it is the right answer. It is the flower. Now let's move on to the last part of the plant. It is marked as number 5. What is it? It is the fruit. Yes, it is the fruit and you are right. This part of the plant is the fruit. So I hope, students, by now you know the different parts of the plant. The stem, the leaf, the bud, the flower and the fruit. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So keep identifying different parts of a plant you see around you. Thank you.